According to prominent economists, the capital market is the backbone of a free market economy, embodying the dynamic interplay between investors and businesses to allocate scarce resources efficiently. It is the nerve center of modern capitalism, where investment decisions today shape the prosperity of tomorrow by fostering innovation, entrepreneurship, and sustainable growth. Guided by the invisible hand of supply and demand, the capital market channels capital to its highest valued uses, driving economic progress and prosperity. Through mechanisms of savings mobilization, risk management, and price discovery, it facilitates the development of industries, infrastructure, and human capital, ensuring equitable access to investment opportunities. At its core, the capital market represents a nexus of financial intermediation and information dissemination, enabling intertemporal exchange where decisions made today reverberate through time to shape the trajectory of economic development. It is a dynamic arena of asset pricing, resource allocation, and wealth creation, essential for fostering long-term prosperity and advancing the common good.